Yo, it's your boy! And she left me for Yamcha! She didn't just leave me, as she left me for Yamcha's podcast! She blocked me on every timeline, even the alternate ones. Why does love have a power level? I gave you my senzu beans! Gotta get shredded so she sees me on her For You page. Did she view my story? This is my healing arc! New arc unlocked. Gym Guy Goku. We don't chase girls, we chase the pump. What's up, guys? Today's gains are brought to you by Saiyan subs, because if she won't come back, at least my delts will. Welcome to my What I Eat in a Day Heartbreak edition. This was supposed to be for her. Day 3 of healing. I am not thinking about her. Did she like Yamcha's gym selfie?
She left, but these gains won't. But would she be proud?
Fellas, if she leaves you for Yamcha, just remember, muscles don't cheat. Bro, Yamcha's on Hinge. First date sensor. Gotta stay strong. So you ever train in 100x gravity?
You kinda look like Chi-Chi if you squint from Namek.
Today I'm working on forgiveness, starting with Yamcha.
No, you're not.
He called me emotionally weak in a group chat.
You're literally dead and still simping.
Day 30 of healing. Hosting my first self-love seminar today, and we're gonna talk inner peace, creatine, and crying etiquette. Okay, cool, we'll just do it solo. Gym first. Love later. No more distractions. No more Yamchas. Chi-Chi 2.0, if you're watching this, I forgive you.